Now welcome to your beautiful home. Welcome to a beautiful village here in Muntinlupa City. This is a really well-planned village and it also has really well-planned amenities as well as a really nice rolling terrain. So it's a beautiful day today to do a property tour video. So let's go! This village even has well-planned roads with a sidewalk. So it's really pleasant in terms of walking your dogs or biking or even jogging. And here you have a beautiful house for sale. Hi, this is Bautista from metroguide.realty, and before we begin, for quality home tours, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us here on YouTube. Now, welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in a secure community in Muntinlupa City, Metro Manila. So this house is located in a very secure community that's just 5 minutes away from the Daang Hari and Evia Lifestyle Mall. It's also just a few minutes away from South Luzon Expressway and MCX. So let's take a quick look at the features here. You have a 2 carport area. And this can very comfortably fit even 2 vans. We've carefully measured even the height. And on this side, you have a security gate giving you access towards the side of the house. The whole village is so secure that there's actually no need for you to have a gate. But if you'd like, we can potentially add a gate in the future. On the left side, you have a landscape garden area leading to the side of the house. So you have another security gate here on this side. Since you already have 2 security gates, there's really no need for a main gate. But now, let's take a look at your main entrance. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. This house has a lot area of approximately 193 square meters and a floor area of approximately 216 square meters. This is perfect for families who want to move up from a condominium unit, or if you have an old house and you really want the feel of a brand new modern home. You see that you have that design aesthetic here with a large floor-to-glass, tempered glass window, letting in so much natural light throughout the entire living space. Upon entering the house, you see that it even has a drop ceiling with cove lighting on this side. So you can have your living room set on this side, and then on this area, you have your open dining space. And you can see that this area is accentuated by this feature wall over here, which creates a nice contrast for the rest of the ground level. In addition, you also have fast access towards your open kitchen space. Your main kitchen is well ventilated and well lit through the sliding door. We're on top of a hill, so it's so breezy here. And you see that you have a provision here for your refrigerator. And the cabinetry is very sleek because it's just push to open. And if you're wondering where we're gonna put the range hood and cooktop, this is where you have a provision. So if you take a look here, you have a provision here. So this is where your range hood can be. And in terms of customization, Depending on what kind of oven you get, we can easily have this cut to accommodate your preference. And you have a really nice granite countertop over here. It's perfect for family gatherings and preparing food. And you have a really nice textured feature wall on this other side. So blending that all in with the colors of the entire ground level, it feels very elegant. And if you open this up, you have an additional auxiliary area with a sink space. This is great for laundry, and you already have the electrical breakers here. And if you go on this side, you already have a bathroom for the maid. So that's just about to be finished. And you have an additional metal door over here, heading out to the back of the house. So looking here, here's another view. So you can walk all the way around the house, and you have access here back to the kitchen space and to the front of the house here. So let's take a look. So you have a nice tiled walkway throughout the entire side of the house. So you can potentially do a lot of additional landscaping here in the future. Depends on how you want to maximize the space. And on the other side, you see that you have your maid's room here. It's currently locked because we have some construction materials inside. And here you have access towards the front of the house through the security gate that we saw when we were in the parking area. Now let's head back in. So you see that the entire house is also surrounded by these newly planted bamboo trees. So these are gonna grow out, and that's gonna create a really cool covering throughout the three walls of the house. So that adds additional security, but at the same time, it still keeps the house well ventilated because the wind can just pass through. Now let's head on in. And from here, coming from the kitchen and dining area, and before we go to the next part, I'd just like to emphasize this area is perfect for having a television set. So you can just imagine relaxing here with your family and then having a table here and having your television set here that you can easily watch also from your kitchen space. And on this side, you have a powder room, which also serves as a bath space. So it has a tempered glass enclosure. And it serves both as a powder room and at the same time as a bathroom for this first room. There. So the first room is really well lit, and it has this oversized window covering nearly 70% of the wall here. And you also already have a high ceiling. You have a provision here for an additional light fixture, and you already have a provision here for a split type air conditioning unit. You also have a really nice flooring here, which is a laminate type flooring, and it's really well built and is water resistant. In addition, when you open this up, you have these modular cabinets for your closet space. Before we head on up, I'd just like to point out that from this angle, you can see that the countertop is overhanging so that you can potentially have stools here so that when you sit down, you can have your feet over here. So those are small design details along with additional storage on this side. Once again, with the push cabinetry. So every space in this house was really maximized. Now let's head on up. And what's really unique about this house is there's even a mezzanine level. So heading up, you have a second room. And this is perfect as a home office space. You even already have storage here. And you can imagine having this whole area with a large work desk and just facing out through these windows towards the front of the house and having a really refreshing view while going about your work. And it's not cramped at all, and it already has a provision for an air conditioning unit on this side. So you can have a small split type air conditioning unit here. And in addition, it's a corner room. So you have breeze coming here from the other side as well. Now let's go. So from the mezzanine level, you can see that it's really a unique design. Looking from the second level, you see that you have an additional door here, right beside the landing and heading up. Let's take a look at the third bedroom, which is your master bedroom. So the master bedroom is a corner room facing the front of the house. So the east side of the property is on this side. That's why you have the morning sun coming in here. That's why you only have smaller windows coming here because the afternoon sun is coming here. So hindi nasusunog yung room in the afternoons. But it's so well lit in the mornings. So they really put a lot of thought into it. And you even have beautiful cove lighting, a high ceiling. You have a provision for your air conditioning unit here. And you already have wiring here for your CCTV. And another cool feature of this house is you have this sliding barnyard door leading to your walk-in closet space. But that's not just it. You see that your walk-in closet is really unique such that you have an entire row of storage on this side. And you have glass all the way on this other side, with even a door with a glass window so that it really separates the moisture coming from the bath and toilet space. So let's take a look. So you can really walk in and you have a tempered glass enclosure here and a really big shower head, rainfall shower head here. And this is a really nice feature to have in your bath space. Lots of additional storage space for shampoos and other things. And on this other side, you have your toilet space here. So this is a really unique design and it really makes the whole space feel larger while at the same time creating that boundary between the walk-in closet and the bath space. So that's really, really nice design. So there's a possibility just that if you have a really hot bath that it can potentially mist up, but that's very easily remedied with those quick glass wipers. Okay, so from here, let's now take a look at your fourth and fifth bedrooms, which are both corner rooms. So here you have your fourth bedroom. Wow. So you see, you open this up and you have a beautiful view because you're on top of a hill. You have a great vista of the rest of the village. And you also have your own bath space on this side. Let's take a look. And you can just imagine having your bed here, looking out the window, and then you have a dresser space over here. You can make this a work area, or you can have a mirror here, and you already have built-in cabinetry. And once again, you have a provision for a light fixture. And this is where you can have your television set. You already have plugs here and a provision for cable. And now let's take a look at the fifth room. Nice. So it's really such a welcoming sight having this oversized window. And what's really nice is it's so easy to open, because sometimes the problem with really big windows is they easily get stuck, but the quality of the windows is such that it's so easily opened and closed. So there's a really smooth sliding mechanism. And once again, you have a really nice view here. And even the whole side of the house, there's still a lot of empty lots in the area, but there are already some houses alternating throughout the whole street. So it still feels so open and welcoming. And it's like you have a big grass lawn. So this isn't like some villages, for example, wherein the vacant lots, they have 6-foot high grass. Here, all the vacant lots are always very well maintained. So that really adds to the whole feel of the space. And here, you have a closet space again, and your own bathroom. And if you look up, you see that they even have cove lighting for the bathrooms, which is a really elegant touch. So that ends our quick tour.
For the property features, it has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a 2-vehicle carport, a living and dining area, an open kitchen, a service and laundry area, a maid's room, a master walk-in closet, CCTV, provision for air conditioning. It's on elevated terrain, and it's in a secure community that's just 5 to 10 minutes away from Evia Lifestyle Mall and just 10 to 15 minutes away from Alabang. Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.